Hey YouTube, how we doing today? That's right, we got something cool in from Gerber today. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're gonna see what's in the box. Okay guys, as you saw by that intro, and thank you for staying past that, we're going to take a look at the Gerber Hall Assisted Opener. And that's this guy right here. I decided to go with orange over the blue. I like it. It's probably going to end up in a med bag that I'm using. That way I've got something in case I drop it or need to find it quick. I've got a blade. Man, that thing rockets open. Frickin' love it. So, as we usually do, let's take a look at the stats. Overall, it's 7.90 inches. Closed, it's 4.80 inches, and the blade is 3.1. I mean, go figure, right? Simple math. It's got a weight of about 4.14 ounces. Feels a little heavier, but that might be 4.94. My handwriting kind of sucks, and yeah, I'm going off a note sheet. That way I don't forget anything. The blade steel is 3 CR15 MOV. I know, it's not the usual like 5 or 7. So I'm wondering if I'm going to run into some of the same problems with this blade as I have with some of the 5s that I've done from like a Bear Grylls line. But only time's going to tell. And this is what kills me. They call it, the blade finish is gray. Do you see gray on there? Unless they're talking about like down through here, because it's not bright and shiny like it usually is. I mean, I see like the black finish here, you know, like they usually do, instead of, you know, that titanium nitride coating. But I don't know, it says gray, so let me know what you think. Now, it does have stainless steel frame liners that are black coated, as you can see. The scales themselves, they're just orange glass filled nylon. Nothing huge, nothing special, nothing, you know, over the top. Now, it has a 1-position pocket clip, and it's only tip up carry. Dual thumb studs. And like you saw a moment ago, it is spring-assisted opening, and man, it rockets open. What I thought was cool, it has a plunge lock, not to mention the little cross-bolt safety lock. So once that's engaged, it don't open. There is a lanyard hole, which I thought was weird how it looks. Now, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, it comes in like a light blue, and this one is made in China. Okay, also as we usually do, well, wait, before we even get to that, as you can see, normal paracord, 7 strands. Right out of the box. Pretty freaking sharp. Now, as we usually do, we take a look at the costs and the ratings, and we took a look at Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ. Over on Amazon, it's $44.86. On Gerber, it's $41, and over on Blade HQ, $31.95. Now, the ratings on this guy over on Amazon are 4.3 stars out of 5. On Gerber, 4 out of 5, and it has not, as of yet, when I filmed this video, been reviewed on Blade HQ. But there we go, guys. This is my very quick look at the Gerber Hall. Honestly, I got it because it's got the orange, you know, scales. And I'm looking at putting something in a med pack that's orange. That way people can find it real quick. So, I want to know what you think. Leave me your questions, comments, your hatred, all that great stuff. Bring it on down below. If you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for spending a moment of your day watching one of my videos. You should be seeing a symbol popping up right down here. It may be right, almost right with this or a little bit later on, but it's going to be right there. That's going to be my company logo. Please go ahead and click on that because that's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you're done subscribing, please destroy that bell icon. That is going to notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. And speaking of vidges, two gonna pop up over here. Those are going to be ones that YouTube is going to present to you from my catalog, and they think it's going to be a great viewing experience for you. There we go, guys. The Gerber Hall Assisted Opener. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day.